Hey, guys, I have been testing these camera drones for some time, and today I am doing the mega comparison camera drones. I hope this video will be helpful for your decision-making process. Number 5. K60 drone is equipped with 6K ultra-high-definition pixels. The 2-axis PTZ ESC camera improves the shooting stability of the drone camera. It can withstand the 8th level of gale. Even if you lose control, the drone can go home. The product itself is made of absorbent plastic. Greater resistance to fall. Intelligent GPS positioning technology can accurately lock the flight position. GPS positioning plus uni-axis vertical improves the stability of aerial photography. We apply precise GPS satellite feedback technology to drones. Regardless of signal strength, you can fly without obstacles. You can go home uncontrollably, with low energy consumption and long distances. The brushless motor increases the flying power of the drone. 6K ultra high definition aerial photography, 6K movie level high definition aerial photography. The image restores the real scene, the colors are rich and vivid, and the image is more real and natural, allowing you to enjoy the fun of shooting. Number 4. Description: SG-108RC quadcopter. Size: 23x19x5 cm 13x9x5 cm. Weight: about 201 g. Motor: 1406 brushless motor. Maximum remote control distance: 1000 m. Max flying time: 25 minutes. Max flying speed: 7 ms. Max flying altitude: 120 m. Max ascent speed: 5 ms. GPS following distance: 5-20 m. Gesture shooting distance: about 2 m. Working frequency: 5G positioning. GPS plus GLONASS plus barometer. Number 3. Features: with foldable and portable design, the drone is easy to carry. Three-axis mechanical gimbal. It combines a lightweight 3-axis mechanical gimbal with the latest professional control algorithms, bringing in the ultra-smooth and jello-free videos even in high-speed or strong wind conditions. Number 2. Description: Item NO, L900. Channel, 4 channels. Euro, 6-axis. Motor, brushless motor. Electric adjustment camera angle, 90. Camera white angle, 120. Configuration frequency, 2.4 GHz. Remote control distance, 1000 meters. Number 1. Description: Model, 8811 Pro. Frequency, 5G. FPV image transmission, 5G Wi-Fi, 2000 m. Stabilized 2-axis mechanical gimbal. 6K wide angle 120 adjustable camera. ESC camera. Channel, 6CH battery, 11.4 V2850 Li-ion battery. Transmitter battery, rechargeable lithium battery. Thank you watching this video.